In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate through a simple task in Microsoft Word that most of us encounter daily. Whether you're drafting a report or simply jotting down notes, knowing your way around Word can make your life significantly easier. Now let's walk through this together. First up, you'll want to go to your Microsoft Word file. Open Word from your device and either create a new document or open an existing one from your files. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. It's important to familiarize yourself with the layout, the toolbar on top with various functionalities, and the blank canvas where your text will appear. Having a good understanding of this interface helps in navigating and accessing different features with ease. Once you have your document open and you're ready to type, but perhaps need to move further across the line from where your cursor currently rests, here's what you can do. Hit the Tab key on your keyboard. Now this may sound incredibly simple, and indeed sometimes simplicity is key. By pressing Tab, you create a systematic indent, moving the cursor to the right. This indentation is incredibly useful for starting new paragraphs, organizing your thoughts, or even creating a clean and professional look with bullet points or numbered lists. Remember, the Tab key is your ally for better spacing and consistent formatting throughout your document. And just like that, you're done. It really is as straightforward as it sounds. Whether you're formatting a massive manuscript or just touching up a small note, knowing when to use Tab effectively can help maintain neatness and professionalism in your work. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. If you find that the default tab spacing doesn't suit your needs, you can adjust it. Head to your toolbar and click on Paragraph Settings, usually represented by a small arrow icon in the corner of the paragraph section. Here, you can customize your tab stops to fit your specific needs, letting you control exactly where each press of the Tab key will take your cursor, perfect for aligning text or creating columns within your document. By spending just a bit of time learning these foundational skills, you can enhance your productivity and the visual appeal of your documents. Hopefully, this simple guide will make your everyday tasks on Word that much smoother, saving you time and effort in the long run. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy guides like this. Stay organized, and until next time, take care.